Η παραλία Κίμης είναι το επίνειο της Κίμης, από την οποία απέχει 5 χιλιόμετρα και έχει 230 κατοίκους. Διαθέτει ένα από τα μεγαλύτερα τεχνητά λιμάνια της χώρας, με σημαντικό αλλιευτικό στόλο. Συνδέεται ακτοπλοϊκά με τη Σκύρο.
The port of Kymi is 5 kilometers away from the town of Kymi and has 230 inhabitants. It is one of the largest artificial harbors in the country with an important fishing fleet. It is connected by ferry to Skiros.
Το λιμάνι αναπτύχθηκε τον 19ο αιώνα και είχε σημαντική εμπορική κίνηση με την νησιωτική χώρα, τον Πειραιά, τη Μικρά Ασία και τη Μασσαλία. Το σημερινό λιμάνι κατασκευάστηκε ανάμεσα στο 1886 και το 1900. Από το 1912, ο λιγνίτης από τα ορυχεία της περιοχής μεταφερόταν στο λιμάνι με βαγονέτα και φορτωνόταν στα πλοία. Τα ορυχεία λειτουργήσαν μέχρι τη δεκαετία του 1960. Σήμερα η περιοχή αποτελεί τουριστικό προορισμό.
The port was developed in the 19th century and had significant commercial traffic with the island country, Piraeus, Asia Minor, and Marseille. The current port was built between 1886 and 1900. From the year 1912, the lignite from the area's mines was transported to the port and loaded onto ships. The mines operated until the 1960s. Today, the area is a tourist destination.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch